Hey, what's up guys? Jeremy here, and in this episode of Everything iDevice, I'm going to show you how to get Siri on your iOS 5.1.1 device. Now, the devices do include the iPhone 3GS, the iPhone 4, the iPod Touch 3rd and 4th Gen, the iPad 1, and the iPad 2. Sorry, no support for the iPad 3. So, firstly, I'll just show you that I don't have Siri. So there's voice control. I'll also go into the settings, and let me back out here. Let's go to General, About, and as you can see right there, iOS 5.1.1. So let's get Siri. First thing you're going to want to do is go into Cydia. Let Cydia load up here, and then go to Manage, go to Sources, go to Edit, and go to Add. And the source that you're going to need is called Cydia dot BASSAMKASSEM.com. BASSAMKASSEM.com. Go ahead and add that source right there. I've already added it, so I'm not going to do it. So let your source refresh and just go into that source there, and then scroll down and you're going to see Acid for iPad, Acid Siri, and then also if you're doing this for an iPad, you will have your GUI files, iPad 1 and iPad 2 there. Since I'm doing this on my iPhone, all I will add is the Acid Siri. So just go ahead and go to the package and just click install. Now just be warned that this is a, I believe, 90 megabyte file, so there is a lot of stuff and it will take a while to download, and also it will require you to reboot your device. 94.9 megabytes. Now I'm just going to kind of speed this up and go ahead and reboot your device. And now my device has rebooted, as you can see here. So now after you have installed Acid Siri, you're going to have to go back into Cydia and get a proxy. There's actually a couple of different ways of getting proxies. This is my favorite one, so just be going off of this for reference. Just be aware that this is what I like. There is other options for proxies. So let me just cancel out here, back out, and then I'm just going to search here real quick. For Assistant Server Installer, that is my favorite proxy. It is only 99 cents, and it does run off of Google's API, so it doesn't matter how much traffic this server has, it will not go down or not work ever. That's why I like this proxy. So this is how I do it. Again, there's other ways, so just go ahead and click install, confirm. Another fairly large package, as you've seen, 22.9 megabytes. So I'll just fast forward this as well, and once again, as you can see, this package requires another reboot, so let's reboot our device. And there we go, we are now rebooted, and that's basically all you have to do. One step that was missed in this video, simply because I tested this out beforehand, is when you first initially install Siri, you will have the startup screen after you reboot for start using Siri. Just be sure to click start using Siri, as simple as that. And then now, after we have rebooted, just go over to the settings app, and let's go to General. Be sure to go into Siri and turn Siri on. So there you go. And then also down here at Acid Siri, you will have to put in your proxy host. If you did use Assistant Server Installer like I just showed you, this is your proxy host right there. So basically just kind of copy that and put it into yours. It's the same for everybody that uses Assistant Server Installer. If you have a different proxy, it's not going to be the same address, so it's not even worth trying to use this because it's just not going to work. So be sure to put in the proxy host, and if you go down here to Siri Server, it has a lot of very cool options like update server, start server, stop server, restart server, remove assistant plist. You can also put in different APIs and stuff, and there's a whole bunch of different stuff you can do with Assistant Server Installer. That's why I like it. And that's basically it, guys. Let's test out Siri here. Hello, Siri.
Greetings, Jeremy.
How are you?
Fine, thanks for asking.
Show me a picture of Megan Fox. Where is Interstate 90? That question might take a second.
Showing Interstate 90 on the map.
Oh, that's actually pretty fast. Quite impressed with that. Where is Madison?
Showing Madison on the map.
So as you guys can see, Siri is working using Assistant Server Installer. She actually runs rather fast considering it's using Google's voice API. I think it works very well, and that's all there is to it. Now again, there will be a full written article on how to do this on everythingidevice.com, so be sure to check down in the description for the link to that, and I'll also leave some other links to some other of my videos. Let me know down in the comments of what you think about this tutorial. This is Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and I'll catch you guys later.